Today we got the Samsung a14 and we are going to replace a new LCD. First, let's remove the SIM card tray. You can see the device is working, but the screen is broken. We can see lines on the screen. I just wanted to show you. Opening this device is very simple. We don't have back plastic at the back. You can just use any plastic tools to remove the housing from the frame. I'm using my nails, as you can see that. You can do that, or you can use any plastic piece. It's better than metal because you maybe damage the case. So it's a housing. I'm opening this device for the first time, that's why it takes a long time. I barely can open it with my fingernails. That's because I'm recording this video. I should do it with my hands and the phone on my near me. I could have some pressure. I have pressure here, but I could drop the device. Alright, that's why recording isn't easy for us, because everything should be captured on the screen, on the camera, and then you can see it on the screen. Be careful that you have fingerprint flex cable at the back. You have to remove the camera shield. After that you can remove the flex cable. Alright. Now we are going to remove all the screws from the device. Let's clean the punch from the fiberglass or tiny glass. Alright. Now we are going to remove the shield from the main board. You can easily remove it. Let's now remove the bottom screws. After that we are going to unplug the battery, remove the bottom shield. Alright, and now let's remove the screen flex cable. It's one flex cable connected from the screen to the main board to the subboard with the same flex cable. Alright, we have two models of this phone. It's a 5G model. You have to be noticed that there is two models, 4G and 5G. I'm going to use the heating gun with 250 Celsius degree to heat the glass. You have to be careful. You should use some gloves, it's better, and also protect your eyes. This glass could fly to your eyes. This is very serious. You should wearing something to your eyes and your hands. I have something in my eyes, but in my hands I don't have anything. I'm not lying. I'm telling you the truth. I'm dealing with glass from about 8 years. I don't know what you can call that, but I'm always be cautious. I never cut my hands with the glass. Alright, this is in the syringe. This is alcohol. Alright, putting some alcohol is better. This can make the adhesive very soft, and then you can remove the glass. It's important to protect your eyes. The third time I'm telling you that. Always don't be in hurry. You can done your job 5 minutes more and you get a perfect job. We don't also want to damage anything, not the frame or our hands, our eyes, anything. I'm going to let you with the video for a few minutes and I come back. After we have done removing the screen, we should remove all the tiny piece of glass and the adhesive left from the LCD. It's very important to make our frame cleaning and perfect. Any tiny piece of glass could broke the new screen when you push it down on the place. Eh, I'm just going to mention that it happens with me in this video, but I didn't broke anything. I will tell you when it happens in this video. As I told you, clean anything, make everything perfect, clean, and nothing left from anything. You can use also the alcohol with the brush. It's very important. You can use tweezer to remove the edges. Make sure everything is clean and nothing left on the frame. All right, do that and we continue talking. I'm always testing my LCD screens before glue it with the adhesive. All right, this is very important. The company will not return the LCD if there is an adhesive on it. So you have to be careful. The screen is working, functional, and touching. You can put it down on the place. Make sure it's powered on and touching. After that, you can assemble the screen on the device. Alright, I didn't push too much, but I'm going to put this flex cable in and power on the device. I could skip this, but I want to show you everything. You can power on the device using a tweezer. Alright, this tweezer is big. It didn't work with me, so I had to bring another one. I also should cut that, but I didn't. Alright, this is the new tweezer I have. It's small. Alright, you have to push at the down left side. You have to push the first and the second pins on the left side bottom. All right, first and second, and then the device will turn on. So you don't have to put the fingerprint flex cable to power on the device. All right, so I'm going to see if the device is working. All right, it's working. The screen is power on, and that I will test the touching, and after that I will assemble the screen. I'm trying if I can know the password, but seems I didn't guess it. So I'm going to the emergency, trying every single number. All right, everything is working. I couldn't use the tool up to test the touch. All right, let's now disassemble the screen, and then all right, before that, here I'm checking the screen if it's fit with the frame, but seems in some area it didn't fit. So I didn't push too much. Here, in the middle, where my finger is. You can see it didn't fit flat on the frame. Everything in every side is good, but this side is not. So something there. Let's see what's in there. So this is important to know. I was able to broke the new screen. You can see it, it's down there. I should zoom that and show you. It's a tiny piece of glass. If I push too much, I could break the new one. So this is very important to check everything. I'm also checking all over the screen to make sure nothing is on there. You can remove the sticker, put the flex cable like that, and now we will be ready to put the black adhesive in place. This is the black adhesive we use. It's a CP 0002. It's a black adhesive. It's also waterproof. You don't have to put too much glue, and also be careful not to put near the camera and the sensor and also the ear speaker. Alright, just go a line all over the frame, and here we have, I should zoom in. We have here sensors, and on the middle we have the camera and the ear speaker. So you have to be careful where to put the glue. And also you can just put a line, no more. Now we are ready to put the screen in. As I told you, it's a 5G screen. There is also 4G. Also, there is original and not original. So you should know what to buy from the market. It's very important for you. You can push from the bottom to the top. Everything fit on place like perfect. It's flat, no bent area. Now let's connect all the flex cable on the position. We have the bottom flex cable to the subboard. Also we have something in there, it's the antenna. Be careful to go on its place. Connect the main board flex cable and the screen flex cable. They should also make it's a one flex cable, but at the main board it's two flex cable. So in the right it's connected from the sub to the main board, and on the left it's connected the screen to the main board. In some devices it's one flex cable and one connector, not two connector. Alright, this is not a big deal for us. It's a big deal for them. For why? I don't know. Now you can put everything as it was. Be careful to put the screw belongs to this device. Alright, all you have to do is to put everything back as it was. Everything has been told. If you have any questions, you can just write it on the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.